Children, we are going to study atomic mass and atomic number. Let me revise few points. Nucleus is centrally located in an atom. Nucleus contains nucleons, means protons and neutrons together are present in the nucleus. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in discrete shells. Three subatomic particles are there. One is proton, which is positively charged. Number 2, neutron, which is electrically neutral. And third one is electron, which is negatively charged, revolving around nucleus in discrete shells. So the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom is the atomic mass number of that element. The mass number is denoted by the symbol A. So atomic mass number means the total number of protons and neutrons. And what is atomic number? Atomic number means number of protons. Atomic number is denoted by letter Z and atomic mass number is denoted by letter A. So is it clear to you? Atomic mass number means number of protons plus neutrons, and atomic number means only number of protons. Carbon has mass number 12 and atomic number as 6. Now can you tell me how many protons are there in carbon atom? Atomic number is 6, means 6 protons are present. Atomic mass number is 12. This 12 number means it is a sum of protons and neutrons. Letter A denotes atomic mass, which is equal to protons plus neutrons, and letter Z indicates atomic number and which is equal to number of protons, and X denotes the element. Is it clear to you? Remember, this is most important concept, atomic mass and atomic number. Keep in your mind, atomic mass means number of protons and neutrons, and atomic number means number of protons. A denotes atomic mass number and Z denotes atomic number. This table shows element, atomic number and atomic mass. Let us see hydrogen. Hydrogen has atomic number 1, atomic mass 1. Means 1 proton is present. Mass of electron is negligible as compared to mass of proton. Helium atomic number 2 and mass number 4. Lithium atomic number is 3, mass number is 7. Likewise, the elements are listed here and their atomic mass number and atomic number is shown here. You can draw this table in science copy. Let us discuss few questions under the heading use your brain power. The symbol used for oxygen is O. There are 8 protons and 8 neutrons in its nucleus. From this, determine the atomic number Z and mass number A of oxygen and arrange these in a conventional symbol. Now from this information, can you tell me what is the atomic number of oxygen? See here, there are 8 protons and 8 neutrons in the nucleus, and atomic number means number of protons. So atomic number of oxygen is equal to 8, and atomic mass means sum of protons and neutrons. So add these two numbers, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So atomic mass number of oxygen will be 16. Let us see the answer of this. Atomic mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. There are 8 protons and 8 neutrons. So add them together. So atomic mass number of oxygen is 16. And there are 8 protons present in the nucleus of oxygen, so it is a atomic number. So atomic number is the number of protons and the symbol will be oxygen. The digits 8 and 16 should be written on the left hand side of oxygen, but it is not managed by me. So I have written like this: 16 indicates mass number and 8 indicates atomic number. Atomic number of carbon is 6. How many electrons are there in a carbon atom? So atomic number means number of protons. So there are 6 protons. And can you guess now how many electrons should be there? Proton is positively charged particles. So 6 protons are there means 6 positive charges are there. So in order to neutralize these positive charges, there should be 6 negative charges. Means 6 electrons should be there in an atom of carbon. Atomic number of carbon is 6 means number of protons are 6 and number of protons are always equal to number of electrons. So the number of electrons will be 6. Is it right? A sodium atom contains 11 electrons. What is the atomic number of sodium? Atomic number means number of protons and number of protons are always equal to number of electrons. So if there are 11 electrons, then naturally 11 protons should be there in a sodium atom. Number of protons are always equal to number of electrons. So 11 electrons are there, so 11 protons will be there and number of protons means its atomic number. So atomic number of sodium is 11. The atomic number and mass number of magnesium are 12 and 24 respectively. How will you show this? By convention symbol. Atomic number is 12 and 24 is the atomic mass number. Chemical symbol of magnesium is Mg. So this is the way convention symbol and atomic number and mass number is shown here. Atomic number is 12 means number of protons 12, then mass number is 24. So number of neutrons can be calculated by subtracting the digit 12 from 24. So number of neutrons are 12 and number of electrons are also 12. So number of protons and number of electrons should be equal. The atomic number and mass number of calcium are 20 and 40 respectively. Deduce the number of neutrons present in the calcium nucleus. So atomic number of calcium is 20 means number of protons are 20. Now can you tell me number of electrons? Naturally 20, because in order to make the atom electrically neutral, positive and negative charges should be balanced. So 20 protons means 20 electrons. Now we have to calculate the number of neutrons, and how to calculate it? Let us see. Atomic mass is denoted by letter A. It is given that atomic mass is 40. Atomic number is denoted by letter Z and that is given as 20. Means number of protons are 20 in calcium atom and number of neutrons is equal to atomic mass minus atomic number. So atomic mass is 40 minus atomic number is 20. So the number of neutrons present in calcium atom is 20. So number of neutrons are calculated by subtracting atomic number from number of neutrons are calculated by subtracting atomic number from atomic mass number. Clear? We will discuss the next topic, distribution of electron, in next video.